Oppo Reno 4 series. Oppo is working on the successor of the Reno 3 series, and we have already seen multiple leaks featuring phones from the upcoming Reno 4 series. These phones have leaked multiple times in the past via renders. Oppo has now finally teased the launch date for the Oppo Reno 4 and the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. These two phones are set to be unveiled on June 5 and Chinese retailer JD.com has already started taking pre-orders. Oppo took to Weibo to put out a teaser video of the Oppo Reno 4 series. This teaser video tips the design of the Oppo Reno 4 as well as the date of the launch of the product in China. The Oppo Reno 4 series will launch in China on June 5. Popular smartphone retailer JD.com has also put out a listing for pre-booking the Oppo Reno 4 series of smartphones. Oppo Reno 4 series specifications, expected. Both the smartphone have already been spotted on antenna, tipping key specifications and the design. The Oppo Reno 4 is expected to carry a 6.43-inch AMOLED display while the Reno 4 Pro is tipped to pack a 6.55-inch AMOLED display. The Oppo Reno 4 is rumored to have a dual selfie camera as a part of hole punch cutout, while the Reno 4 Pro is said to sport a single hole punch display. The Oppo Reno 4 and the Reno 4 Pro are also accepted to have a triple camera setup at the back and are tipped to sport the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC. There will be two variants for each phone. 8GB RAM with 128GB storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. These phones are also tipped to run ColorOS 7.1 on top of Android 10. Based on the TENA certification, we can expect the Reno 4 to pack 4,000 mAh battery with support for 65-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. The camera hardware on these phones is said to be different. The Reno 4 is tipped to include a 48-megapixel primary camera, 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel portrait camera. The Reno 4 Pro is also said to include a 48-megapixel primary camera but with OIS. The other two sensors are said to be 12-megapixel low-light video camera and a 13-megapixel telephoto shooter. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.